Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can use your phone's camera as a webcam for free. This will work on Windows, Mac and Ubuntu. So something like this. This PC's default camera is using the phone's camera. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Now to use your old or new phone as a webcam, we need an application. Let's open the browser and go to iReon.com. So this is the website, and here the software is available for Windows, Mac and Ubuntu. I will download it for Windows. So it has been downloaded. Let's install it. Double click on it. If you see this screen, simply click on Run. I'll close this all. Accept the agreement. Next, choose the location and install. And finish. So the application shortcut is also at the desktop. For now, you can see it says no phone available. Please make sure that iReon application is running on the phone and the phone and PC are on the same Wi-Fi connection. So let's go to our phone and as well install the iReon app. So this is my old iPhone 6s. Let me install the iReon app. Let me go to the App Store. By the way, the app is also available on Play Store for Android users. Anyway, search for iReon webcam. This is the one. Let me install it. So it has been installed. Let me open the app. Give the required permission. So you can see the app has already been detected by the PC. By the way, please make sure your phone and the PC are in the same network Wi-Fi connection. You can see I am showing my desktop from the phone and it's visible in the desktop's camera as well. Let me switch it to the desktop. You can see the mobile camera is showing. Anyway, here you can choose the resolution. By the way, iReon webcam works with most of the applications, even with the default Windows camera. So this is my Windows camera and you can see it's using my mobile's camera. If I click on this, this will use the laptop's default camera. So you may have to work with the settings as per your PC. Likewise, this will work for Zoom and many other software. But please make sure to change the settings and choose iReon camera if it is not detected automatically. Hope this video was useful. Thank you very much.